Hello traders, Jamie at Trade Ideas popping in on you today. It is April 10th and I hope everybody had a good trading day with all of the shenanigans and the Fed boys talking and all that good stuff today. It was an interesting day to say the least, but in any case, I hope everybody had a good one. So welcome to my desktop. If you take a look over here at my channel bar where my pointer is, you can see that I'm on our newly added opening range break channel. So if you haven't popped in on this channel yet, you might want to do so. Help you find some good opening range breaks, 30, 60, whatever time that they might happen. So just a quick tour of this channel. We've got a nice tree map down here. We've got the races, and at the very bottom here, we've got opening range breakouts on volume. But that's not the real reason that I'm here today to speak to you guys. What I'm here to speak to you about today is optimization. And so, hiding behind this window, I've got an optimized version of the 30-minute opening range breakout alert, and then I've got the non-optimized version. So what we're going to do real quick here, in case you've never used our back tester, when you're in an alert window, what we first do is right-click and select backtest strategy. Now what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to run the unoptimized version, just so you guys can get an idea with minimal filtering how many alerts would have been generated over I believe I've got this one on 40 trading days. Okay, so the backtest is done. Let's verify that. Was it 40 trading days? Yes, it was. And 2,131 alerts. So this little guy's kicking out way too many alerts. There's no way you could filter through them and catch all the good ones. You have to filter out too many bad ones. So how can we use optimization to reduce the number of trades while at the same time improving the statistical viability of anything that might come out of that window? So now we're going to take a look at the optimized version, which is hiding right here. Do the same thing. This one has been optimized. And there we have it. No longer do we have just a huge number of trades. We've got 252 trades being issued over a 40-day period. We've got an average winner of 20 cents, average loser of 11 cents. I've got all these numbers dialed in here for a 4-to-1. So, you know, these are pretty good expectations. Keyword is expectations. So, number one, just because something has statistical viability doesn't mean we just see the ticker and we jump in. You still have to make sure that you like what's going on the chart. You have to make sure that your risk is in place. And then and only then would you consider pushing the button. Now taking a look at the daily distribution, not too bad over a 40 trading day period. And we can always go back to the calendar and take a look at all the trades that were issued on any given day just by clicking on that day. And then you'll get the exact times that the trades were issued, how they did based on what we have plugged in over here. So you can see right here, I'm just saying, hey, let's take 200 shares of each trade. Not getting too nutty there. And then we can see some additional stats down here. Most winning days in a row, 7. Most losing days in a row, 3. Based on 200 shares, your best winning day was 671, and your worst losing day was 139. Just keep in mind, this does not account for slippage. So this is a way that we can take a very noisy window, pare it down to a manageable number of alerts, and get statistical viability on our side as well. So just keep in mind, if you are a Trade Ideas subscriber, to gain access to the backtester, you do need a premium subscription. But the good news is, even if you're on a standard and you want to maybe try out the backtester for a little bit, just pop on into our live support or give us a shout at info@trade-ideas.com. Maybe we can throw a couple of odds maker uses in there for you to try out, and then if you like it, you might want to consider punching the button on that upgrade. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, we'll see you later.